Hey guys, I have a fun and easy square knot pattern for you today that creates a honeycomb design. This pattern looks great when repeated and can be incorporated into any wall hanging, but looks especially great when creating a more structured piece such as a macraweave. For your setup, cut 8 pieces of 6mm rope, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using a lark's head knot. Skip 4 cords on the left and tie 2 square knots with the next 4 cords. Repeat with the next 4 cords on the right. Skip 2 cords on the left and tie 1 square knot with the next 4 cords. Using the 4 cords on the left, tie 3 square knots. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie 3 square knots with the 4 cords in the middle of your work. Make sure the square knots sit in line with the 3 square knots on the sides of your work. Skip 2 cords on the left and tie 1 square knot with the next 4 cords. Skip 4 cords on the left and tie 2 square knots with the next 4 cords. Repeat on the right side of your work. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.